You know, I've said it once, and I guess I've got to say it again. Your relationship with any other human being on this planet does not have to make sense to anybody else besides the two people in that relationship. You do not have to answer to anyone else. You do not have to explain yourself to anyone else. It's your fucking business. Live your best fucking life. And always shine bright.